So how to make a change in your life? There is going to be a point you have to make changes. You have to, either you get rid of some things, you upgrade some things, you make changes in your life. There's unfortunately points out there that you make big decisions in life. Either say that this is where I'm going, I'm no longer going in that direction. Or you make the decision, I want to achieve this, or I want to, it's a triathlete that says, I'm going to do that no matter what. You might be out of shape, you might have never thought that before, but you go all out to get it. That's where you start to make a change in life. My invitation for you to make a change in your life is to go towards something that's tough and difficult, that you know is just a push beyond where you think you could go, a push beyond that limit, just that potential. And you make a decision. You have something that you're definitely going to go towards. Whatever it is you think it might be, it has to be something that's tough. It has to have an end date in place, and that the way you approach it is, I'm going to be ready no matter what, and you make sure you're fucking ready. What you prove to yourself is that you're able to meet deadlines. You're able to excel at something. You're able to actually be great. It's going to give you a boost that you've never seen before. But it's got to be an end date. It's got to be something that you have to push towards, and you go all out to get that.